This is TheCompsGuy. If you like this content, please subscribe and like this channel, share the videos. This is the third night of our vacation. We are staying at Bellagio on a free comp, just through my Vegas. So here's the bathroom. Sorry for the shaky footage. I was just holding an iPhone. It's hard to kind of grip the iPhone. Some of these are going to be very quick pans. I was just trying to get the video somewhat done because I did it like 5 times. But I think this was the best one I had. So you have lit up vanities. The shower, I thought the shower was kind of like medium to low pressure. That was one thing that kind of bothered me. They had really, really good body wash and hair conditioner stuff, which I find interesting because, like, they don't have to. There's a big old mirror. You'll see me in the mirror. Then right here, these control your curtains, your blackouts, and then I'm going to turn it this way so you can see. I just pressed the buttons and it opened. This was around 4 or 5, I think, in the afternoon, right after we checked in. Here's some art. I thought it was kind of goofy art. It looks like water or something. A lamp. Then old school, like, iHome from, like, 2010. Just, like, chilling there. That's supposed to be there for an alarm. But it's really not usable. I mean, look, this is not compatible with iPhone, obviously. It's not compatible with even, like, an old iPod. Most of them don't work anymore. Here's a big king-size bed. It was nice. It had their pillows, which is interesting because when I had my channel before, I posted from the Sam's Club by me. They sold their pillows for like $15. Here's a big old TV, Samsung. Then they have the panel, and now you can see the HDMI. You can connect USBs, Vega, S-Video, audio in, audio out. And it has 2 big plugs. So what me and my wife did was we tried at both hotels to use our Fire Stick, and the Wi-Fi wouldn't let us. So we just plugged my laptop in with an HDMI, and it worked. And also, what you could do is you could just unplug the HDMIs from the TV sometimes and just loop them back in. I know they don't like you doing it, but they do it. There's some nice glasses for champagne or whatever. Here's a big old closet with a light in it. It has nice hangers, a pull-out ironing board, a robe, a light in there, a desk with a phone, a piece of art, a lamp. I sat in that chair and fell out of it, and I was like, oh, I am used to actually having a not flimsy table. I'm pointing at the light. There's another light over there. There's 2 couches where you could just sit and talk and hang out. That's also the air conditioner over there in the corner. That's another reason why I was pointing at it. Another piece of art. And then, see the air conditioner, the piece of art. Overall, I really wasn't that impressed. I thought this was just super basic. And yes, the light works. I thought it was just basic. I thought Caesars was significantly nicer. Here's the pool. The pool's nice. Me and my wife went down to the pool later this night. Here's another thing of the thing. There's the Cosmo in the background. It was a nice hotel, but I would not recommend it unless you have I wouldn't recommend it unless you have a My Vegas comp. I would not pay full price for this. But thank you. Have a nice day. This is TheCompsGuy. If you have any more questions, just comment down below. I have no problem doing this. I look forward to having more videos. This concludes the reviews. I will have a full breakdown of my trip next Monday. So thank you. Have a nice day.